Hi guys, it's Ayesha from Muse Beauty. I'm so excited to have the CLC team visit me today. Come inside. So today we'll be setting up for a workshop. We have a team building workshop happening today. As you can see, I've laid out most of it already, but I'll take you through what we actually do when we have a workshop. So we have a nice little tray over here, and we have different things to actually create the perfume. So we have these over here, and the bottle that you do it from, and different materials. And then the most important part in the workshop is this little notes over here. So we guide you through every aspect of the workshop. So you leave with quite a bit of knowledge exactly on how to create a perfume. And whether you're coming to deepen your knowledge, whether you're just coming for a fun time, we actually accommodate for that and we guide you through everything. So, for someone who's walking here for the first time, coming to a workshop, I would describe the experience as something really for yourself. It's not just about the technicalities of how to create a perfume. It's about making something where you're unleashing your creative side, but also focusing on what is personal to you. So, what I find a lot is that when people walk in, they have this idea of what they think is their favorite scent or their favorite note. Maybe someone walks in and they like a fruity note, but when they walk out, because of me, telling them just explore the different scents. They walk out with a much broader experience or perspective, I should say, of what they enjoy. Um, Myself, even I used to hate fruity scents, but now I have an appreciation for all types of notes because I find that they work together to create something unique to you. So when they come, they pick out their different notes and they create something that no one else has. And I think that is what people love the most about our experience is that it's something that's unique to them. I like to think of fragrances as almost like an outfit. You change it depending on how you feel, what the weather's like, or even what you want to be for the day, right? So if you think today your mood is powerful and then you'll wear a fragrance that makes you feel bold. So for winter, I like to think of I want to feel cozy and we reach for the warmer, the richer, the deeper scents, like your woodsy, your amber, your vanilla, something that feels almost like a cashmere sweater. So the fragrances that I reach for this season are Dream, Cherie, and Allure. And all of these fragrances have the same thing in common where they're very warm and inviting. And Dream is our by far the best seller across all of our stockers in Cape Town and online as well. It's just something that is for everyone. And I always tell people when they tell me that they love it, is that I love it too because it's my wedding scent. And I just find it so special whenever the fact that it's the best seller just makes my heart warm. So all of these scents bring that sense of coziness to me. So, what do I hope people feel when they wear a Muse fragrance? This actually inspired my box design, where the top of it says "Crafted for the woman who wants to become her own muse," and that is also the name of the brand. It's very much inspired by becoming something that you or someone that you are confident in, someone that you feel that you are ready to face the world. And I really find that fragrance, same like I mentioned earlier with the idea of an outfit. You really go out into the world and you feel a certain way about yourself. So with each spray, it's like a spray of confidence, a spray of self-assurity, a spray of I am who I am and you love who you are. So that really inspired the name. A lot of people ask me why Muse, and I also, it's like an artist muse, and you are the artist muse. And yeah, that's exactly how I want them to feel when they spray a perfume, confident and the best version of themselves. Thank you so much for visiting. You can find Muse Beauty and our fragrances at Conscious Lifestyle Collective in Sea Point.